Who went and caught this family? Who? I said, who caught these things?
What is the meaning of this shouting this morning, Papi Kemi?
Who caught these things?
What is your business with the town food you got, Papi Kemi? What is your business?
Oh, is that me you are talking to like this? Hey! I'm sure you are mad.
Me? Mad?
What's wrong with you?
Uncle, this thing you're doing is not good though. Don't you have the right to go to our father's farmland?
I don't know. I wonder.
Thunder scattered this useless head.
God forbid.
With your father? Eh? When men start laying claims to land? When? When I get to be by it's over.
Asiko, Ezibotasi. Isi asi, Papi Kemi. Isi asi nanka.
Hi!
Ogini.
Ogini. Eh?
Yeah. Why are you shouting at my children? Telling them they have no right to their father's family.
I know. Yes, I know you are the one. I know you are the one deceiving these idiots.
Call my children idiots.
You have no right to step into our land without my permission. See, you have no right to do that. Am I the one who asked your late son not to have a male child before his death? Nekwagio, you are joining him.
Chineke, look at you. Chineke, I saw you in front of forbid. In front of you. It will not work.
Not me and you.
It will not work for you.
Oh, why is this man talking to grandma anyhow?
Talk to him.
Where? Give him the man.
If you address me as this man, I kill you. You are a shame to this family. Yes. You are supposed to be an outcast. In fact, you are an outcast. Iganna. Take this thing. Take this thing. Bukeri ha, Bukeba, no can.
If you know that you're a man, now Mogi, you bring hen and gather. Touch it.
Bubi ebu. Kale.
No, room here, room. Touch it.
I hope you're not talking to me.
He's talking to you. She said you should not touch it.
I think you
Adugo,
carry this thing.
am I talking to you?
Enya. Oh, man, I get it, man.
Papa, who am I?
Yes.
Okay. Give up one. Papa, each of them.
Carry Haja.
Okay, one.
Buya.
Thank God now mother approached me. Man is not God. If man were to be God, He started doing this when you people were little girls. Do you remember how your father died mysteriously in this compound? Obiano knew what killed your father. 2 years later, his wife joined him. But he did it. So he will take everything. But you see me here, I will fight him. Even if I die, I will fight Obiano from the grave. You knew it was that wicked man that killed our parents, and you kept it all to yourself.
Thank you for telling us so. Because from today.
A whole war! War! It hasn't even started though.
Is he that heartless to have killed a man and his wife for just nothing?
Hey. You know your grandfather. That's my late husband. He was the senior brother to Obiano's father. They were very close. Onaso, they shared everything together. The farmland, the palm fruits, everything. If I'd known it would be like this today, I would have encouraged them to share everything. But now that I don't have a child, how can I make wrong? I am going to be another. Oh, you're going to be another. I'm edging one. Oh, no.
Stop crying. We are here for you.
Ijenna, nwanyị dị mma. Hope all is well. This one you are not smiling at Nweke Yuval. Moin, ma'am. Biko, please go and get a seat for me. Keep it there. Nne, Oginekwa. When I see you wearing this kind of face, that means something is not well.
This same Obiano, he killed my son, killed my son's wife. Now he wants to kill my daughters. Eh?
Obiano again?
Yes, so. What kind of thing is this? My daughters went to their father's farmland to cut the palm fruits. Obiano shouting at them, telling them to get away from them. What is all this? Eh?
Maybe Obiano has gone mad.
I am sure.
Has he started again?
He never stopped.
Why should he stop Amechi's children from getting what belongs not only to their father, but also their great-grandfather? Eh? I was shouting it before that the best thing to do is to share those lands and the rest. Though he took ill and died.
He did not die. Obiano killed him. He killed my son. Yes. My son had daughters. He was going to share those things. But then Obiano killed him because he knew he was going to have a male child. A male child that will inherit all the properties, the lands and everything. My God, she will punish him. Oh, God, okay. Ay, Obiano, watch alone.
Ozugo. Ijenna, don't worry. I will call him to order. But if he insists, the Umunna will come into it. Ozugo.
I'm going so bad.
Okay.
I have to go home now. Let me go and rest my aching bones.
Wayo. Won't you take some manyanko? Nkwocha, eh? Ngwam, balobele. Okay. Take care. Jude kwa fuma.
Your father and your mother, they were such a good pair. And Mamba, nine on the fade, woolly. More no longer gonna na piafanya.
Ma bouquet ho. Where is she? Oh, not here. She's not around. She went to her vessel herself.
Yeah. Oh.
Bambo.
Okay. Mama.
No.
What will you eat? So I can quickly prepare it. You know I'm almost late for the market.
Oh. You're still no work. Beans. Hello, Tagwom. You will cook No, for me.
What's no, gonna?
No.
Hey, open. Noodles, good. Mama. Stop disgracing us. It is not no. Noodles. Why Hannah noodles?
Are you now teaching Mama pronunciation?
If she can eat it, let her pronounce it well.
No. Don't mind her. Call it anything you like. No. You open at the game, you understand? We'll cook it for you.
During our own time, when we were young, we will go into the farm and get the farm produce. Or if I know you, we will eat okra and yam and apple. Even in 9 o'clock, I may. But with this year, you won't. Let me join you people. Start going to the market to sell your tomatoes. Don't worry about it. No. Oh Lord will cook it for me.
I'll cook it, Mama. I will.
So, what do you want me to buy for you from the market? You want to...
Hey, Chico, tell me fast. Hello, Demo. Agidi jollof. Nke nnukwu akwụkwọ dị n'ime ịna-amịlị nya bakụ.
You and Agidi jollof.
Oh, Mama. Agidi jollof. No. No far for her.
Oh,
Pico, if Adugo comes back, tell her to come and help me in the market. You know go? Up one more.
Don't forget to buy it.
Yana tissue. Makafa ya sauta.
Don't find trouble.
If you can't hear what this your mouth will kill you. Well,
Oh.
This girl. Hey, you're not for yourself. I'm not for more woman. Forget it. I'll shop that case. Jesse, about such a wow.
Are you coming back from the market already?
Why are you late to the market? Today that is Nkwo.
Hell. No. You won't understand.
I even went to your shop and I saw one more on your table.
Which woman? No, which table? On top of the table or under the table? Eh?
I don't know who she is, but I asked her to look for another place to say her names. As if I know you'll be coming.
If I meet her there, her second name will be sorry. Anyway, I woke up late. I was having this terrible headache. I didn't even... Why am I even talking with you? Nne, please leave me. Let me go to the market before the people that came to market will start going.
Please don't fight.
Ijenna had not started complaining. Oh, she came to your house and told you that I was fighting her grandchildren. When these days, they are the one going about cutting my palm fruit, whether ripe or unripe. But no problem, we will see.
Are you stopping them from taking what belongs to their father That is the question.
What is that belongs to their father?
Those things you mentioned belong to their father. And you have no right whatsoever to stop them.
Mweke, if not for the respect I have for you, I will walk you out of this compound. What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh, kamu mwaka biapia wanku. Eh? Me and these girls to knock shoulders. Hey! Mweke, I am a man and the heir to this family. Whatsoever these girls need, they should come to me and seek my permission. And if nobody.
You and Amechi, their father, are brothers. If Amechi was to be alive, would you have taken those things from him?
No, I won't. I won't.
You see to that?
I won't.
Eh? So, you should allow them to take those things that belong to their father.
But unfortunately, Amechi had no son. And for the fact that they had no son, the daughters, the girls, should come to me and seek my permission before they take anything from my land. And that is final.
That is what you are saying?
Yes.
Okay. I will pretend not to have heard what you have just said. Till the Umunna comes into it.
Who are you and your Umunna to come into this? Go to hell with your Umunna. But you ain't take it. Okay, can now go me ha. Munu umuaka umuwai ga bido bia zowa ben now.
Obiano.
Okay.
Is that what you are saying?
Yes.
Come, I have respected you enough. Take your time.
You mean I will be here fighting with girls in my father's house? Hey!
Okay, we shall see.
See what?
We shall see.
Nonsense! I'm waiting for you people. Obiano Nechunu. Nonsense.
Mama, I have told you to leave Obiano's trouble for me.
See, eh? Leave him for me. I will make him understand that even though Papa didn't have male children, yeah, here, I got we'll put hands together and deal with him.
I just thank God we are all grown up. Let me see how he will stop us from eating.
Mama, you don't need to bother yourself because of Uncle Obiano. I believe you understand and realize you're his brother's children.
Who is begging him to understand? If he likes, let him understand. If he likes, let him not understand. It is his business. All I know is that I'm a Segolia plan. Hey! So, if you're this village, see, I am ready for anything, no. I am ready for anything. If he wants us to be fighting every day, yeah. Every day. I'm ready. Every day. Yeah. I know me, I full ground. So just cool down. Stop it, because we see her.
Only had given birth to 2 male children. Or even if your father had a son, he would have been here to protect you girls. Oh! Obiano!
Mama, it's okay. How long will you cry for him? Oh, that's why you never name me on Afro. Mama, stop crying. Katobi kai may ife. Nonsense. Mama, na respect is reciprocal. In fact, I withdraw my respect. You keep to say the reciprocal. Nonsense. But you can now move. Tero, so you told Uncle Wenke that we should be coming to take permission from you, Ngenwa, before entering our father's land, Oria.
I said it. And so it must be. If you want to try me, go into any of the land without my permission.
Ah, poor here, I say so. In fact, children go poor here. See, instead of me to take permission from you, I'll go and take that permission from my grandmother's goat.
Hey! Get out of my sight!
Yes? This is your leg that you used to enter that my father's farm. You leave us alone from today. Leave us alone. Let me see this leg. Let me see this leg in my father's land again. Put the finger. Leave me my father's land.
I'll kill you today! I'll kill you! Go inside and call that your tiger! I'll kill you today! Come! Come! I will kill you today! I will kill you! I will not chop it! No people beat my father here asking me to chop the matches. I will not chop it! Come! Come now! I will kill you! Don't come near me! Don't come near me! Don't come near me! Hey! Hey! Oh! Hey!
Do you people think that you can ever insult me and go scot-free? Eh? No way! My son is coming today. He's going to show all of you that you are nothing.
Which son are you talking about?
I'm talking about my son Ikenna.
Okoko, is it the son that is over there crying like a child?
Hey! Hey! What happened to you? Eh? What happened to you?
This idiot! One of our sisters joined her and beat me up, including their grandmother. Simply because I was not in the mood to fight.
I know you! I know what you can do. Hey!
You want to kill my son? You want to kill my son? Look at my leg.
No. This is too much. The whole village must hear this. Unu ga free again, Unu. Don't worry.
Because I don't want to fight them.
I know what you can do. Don't worry, I'm coming. Unu gafu. Hey! I'm coming now. I'm coming.
Papa, where are you going?
You want to go with him?
Papa, where are you going?
I thought you said you were going. See, look at you. I thought you were a big boy. I thought you were big enough to challenge me.
Come and find that big small boy.
In fact, he told Ruben they didn't me.
Thunder, Papa. Thunder, fire. Did I call your name? Did I call your name?
How? Are you going with me or are you still standing there asking questions? Nweke, come!
Ah! Wait for me, wait for me.
Follow me, Nweke! Hey! Oh! Hey! I'm a woman. Hey!
I
don't know. Hey! Have you seen my son?
Ikenna thought he would scare me with a machete.
Hey.
And the most painful part is that he almost caught me with it. He was lucky. Or the very lucky. I'm not yet ready to commit murder.
Hey.
If not,
Please, please, my friend, don't kill anybody. Hey, Jim Chineke na Yogi, I beg. Don't kill anybody.
you know me very well. I can be very unpredictable, so don't count on it.
Of course, I know you now. Your blood today hot. Huh.
I'm glad to see you. I will just come into your house to see you. Papa, I'm talking to you.
And I am not talking to you. Can't you get it?
Well, Chike, please, don't feel bad. She's actually not in a good mood to talk to anybody right now, okay?
That's just the problem. When will she ever be in a good mood? She always activates this as so-called bad mood.
I understand. I can't pay you anything. Waiting. Look, we are best of friends and we can never fight. Okay? And then fighting you is like committing suicide, and I have to first of all write my will.
Oh, hey, Macha. Then behave yourself.
Behave yourself.
Oh, because I did not tell you.
Waiting. Do the best.
What are you doing in my house? What are you doing in my house?
Good afternoon.
There will be nothing good about this afternoon if you don't tell me what you're doing here. By this time of the day. Have I not told you, young man? Have I not told you to stay well from my daughter Wab? To stop looking for her?
No, I am not here to see Wabo.
Shut up! Uchiano, liar!
Sorry, ma, please.
I sing Uchiano.
I am not here to see Wabo.
You're here.
He's here for me.
Exactly.
Is she the one you've come to?
Yes, ma'am.
So why didn't you tell me since?
I was...
Uchiano! You enter my compound. As if we share the compound. Like you've paid for my daughter's bride price.
I have good intention.
Send him near Poa. Only tough to protect you. See, you don't have okay. But make sure you come back early. Before night comes. We need to plan for the night. Isenyanyas. Irocha beans. Rocha okwa. Don't enter any dark place or any corner or unbuilt, uncompleted building. It's very ugly. But he looks like a thief. Oh! Okay, not
Who are these idiots? What are they doing in my land? Yeah? Who are these people trespassing in my land? Who are you trespassing in my land? Eh? Who are you? Oh, Mwabu. You? What are you doing in my land?
Jero, what did he say? Your land?
My land, of course. I own it with nobody.
Papikenna, this piece of land belongs to our father. And we all used to farm here before he passed on. Why do you like trouble?
I am glad you said before he passed on. After that, what happened? The man of the family took over the land and the cash crop. That is our tradition. Women don't own land and cash crop. And that's why I warned you people not to touch any of the family's land without my permission.
Uncle, this thing you're doing is not fair. It's inhuman.
Cheru, what are you trying to do? You want to cry because of this nonsense he just vomited? Leave him! He's just vomiting saliva. He's spilling saliva everywhere. Do what you are doing. Let me see who will come and stop us. Nonsense.
If you want to try me, touch any grass here and see what I will do.
Eh?
Yes.
It's again.
Ask him if you want to try me, touch any grass.
Eh? What will you do?
Ekwana can be Pugisi.
Mba. Leave him.
You right!
I will cut off your neck.
Let's go. Leave him.
Oh!
Leave him.
Don't allow me to deal with you.
Wait. Yes, leave me.
Papa said she leave him.
I'm going to too much, oh. Eh? Yeah, I'm going to too much.
This small girl.
You are still talking.
Don't allow me to deal with you.
You are still talking. No, let me see.
I'm talking to you.
Let me see. Try your worst.
You are doing so much. I warn you.
Let's go.
You people should leave this place.
Come teach this man lesson.
You are but whatever they call you. Stop trying me.
Leave him. Let us go. Leave him.
Oh.
God will keep judging you.
You are taking it too much. You, small girl. You people should get out here. Get out here! What am I doing that is not good? Do I change the tradition of the people because of you? Do I change the tradition of the people because of you? No woman owns land and cash crops. Is it because I'm a gentleman? Eh? You have tried me enough oh. Huh. Hey. Okay, what is wrong with this girl? Eh? Nonsense.
Wait. You girls are trying to tell me that Obiano stopped you from farming on that piece of land.
Not just that, Mama. He also threatened to kill anyone who ever steps into that land again.
Hey! Obiano. Obiapo. Oh, so this is what you're planning. Or where? You want to take over that piece of land and everything that belongs to my son. Eh? Can one mom starve here to death? Can one Zian? Eh?
Nebe. Is it possible? Hey, Mama. Oma walk, no? Not while I'm still alive. Eh? Not. See, who is he? Who is he to stop us from making use of what Papa left for us? Although not possible. Ask both of them. If not for them, I would have dealt with him. Thus, I would have taught him a lesson today.
Wabomba. Eh? You should not beat up an old man. It is near stopped beating him.
You lie. As long as he has refused to respect himself, one day I will disgrace him.
I have heard what you people said. And I am going to talk to the woman about this because
what are these voices I hear in this compound this morning? Don't tell me that you people have started fighting again, no? Nwabo.
Uncle, we are not fighting yet, but the fight will soon start if nothing is done about Papi Kena's trouble.
What has Obiano done again?
You think what has Obiano not done? Obiano went to the piece of land where my children were found. Him at that piece of land, no. He sent them away and told them to stop farming. Machete and started chasing them. He said he will kill them. Now you just tell me, what is it that he wants? Can he fortune for us to die in this house? From starvation or fortune?
May God forbid that. That cannot happen.
Nani, do you know what he planned? He planned to kill all of us. He wants to turn my daughters into outcasts. Or the possible?
No. No! That cannot happen. We must look into it. Yes, we must look into it.
Better look into it, oh. Look into it well, because if you don't, I will be forced to handle the case my own way. And you know, my own way now. Because when I do it, I'm very sure that nobody will like me. And trust me, I will not spare. Because I got pretty I get
will you go and
you know how well. Oh, where you were body cabin now walk. Because and
Obiano welcome. Ndalo. Omwa. Hey.
You're always very fortunate.
I'm always a lucky person.
Very lucky. Sit down.
Hey.
Let me.
No. Don't bother yourself. I've had enough from my place.
I'm sure we are safe.
Yes. Everything is okay.
Yes.
I came in respect of the complaint made by Ijenna and her grandchildren about you. Yes.
Yes, if you have come to know with that. Yes. That is what I told them. But let me repeat it again to you before you. You see, that I told them that before they go to the land and pick anything from our land, they have to seek for my approval. I didn't tell them not to enter our land. No.
Approve Guinea.
Approval. Yes.
Obiano, you are taking this thing too far. Believe me, you are getting the whole thing wrong. How could you continue to do things like this to these children? Obiano, you will be better.
Okay. Let me remind you that I am the man of this family. You see, and I rule this family however I like and how I want it. I have decreed, and it must be so.
Ha! You lie.
You have mouth to talk because I did not deal with you in the farm. Go and thank my sisters. They are the ones that saved you. This thing you said now, it will not happen. That farm does not belong to you alone. So leave that thing you are saying.
I am sure that you are not talking to me.
Obiakpo, I am talking to you. I am talking to you. You are not ashamed of yourself.
What
is wrong?
Is it my father you are talking to like that? Yeah. My father, you're calling my father names. Take time, oh.
Mbechila.
Who is Mbechile?
Eh? Adamma.
Who are you? Who is Adamma?
Wait. I hope you have come to collect more beating. Okay? You're die.
You're mad.
You see?
You're very stupid. In fact, you won't have to come. You come get out of
Bia Ozugonu.
You see?
Ozugonu. Bia. Obiano. If you feel cost, if you go na cost,
What have I done?
You see that your plan? It will not work. Onoshi, you want to take everything my father left, Okuya? Come and take now. Abumagabla wachiruzo. It will not work for you. In fact, you have done your own decree, Okuya. Let me decree my own. You see that my father's plan? If I see your leg there again, let us bet.
Let me ask you one question. If there is any problem in this compound, do you think I will not defend this people?
Forever.
and you are bringing problem.
Okay.
I am not bringing problem.
And what if you are now the problem? Because you are the problem.
I am not.
How can you defend the problem that you are?
I don't have any problem. I'm defending our tradition. Are they not supposed to be married? I can never. See? You see?
You leave him.
It's enough. It's enough.
You know she can speak.
No.
You see?
Monkey. Every time you know me, what to come on a period. Nah.
No, take time, take time in this. Okuna.
Yeah. Ozugokwa. What? You see what you've caused?
What have I And then?
Yeah.
Look, Weke, you know I'm only defending the tradition of the people.
Whose tradition? What do you mean about tradition?
What do you mean? Are they not supposed to be married?
Go. Shameless man. You
What if it is true? What are you going to do?
Answer her question. Answer her question.
What happened today?
Olachi attacked us.
Olachi Nkoni. You see Okada.
She just came in and saw us exchanging words with the father, who sees the pear we pluck from Iruno.
Hey! Sorry. Obiakpo sees pear. Iruno.
Yes!
And then Isimbaka came to fight you before here. Yay! I got
Mom, come back here. Mama, you don't go fight, Mama, leave her. Let us go and teach these people a lesson. I don't have the energy.
I was coming to see you.
And I was coming to see you too. I heard you've been insulting my father in my absence. Is it true?
Are you talking to me?
Come on, shut up, you stinking local piece of rubbish.
There's nothing that we don't see. So because you managed to enter one mushroom polytechnic that you think is university, that's why you are opening your mouth to speak corrupt grammar, Oria?
Can your awarawa tomatoes afford? Can you afford one with your awarawa tomatoes? Local illiterate, that is what you are. Jealousy will kill all of you. Leave that girl and come inside. Pick up.
Mama, did you hear this?
Shut up! You can't do anything.
I cannot do anything.
Uncle, where are you? Please come on, let's go now.
Let's go.
You have killed my brother. It is now my turn. Kill me. I want you to kill me. Leave my sister alone. If I hit you. Leave my sister alone. Leave me alone. Leave her alone. I see you. You think you have manpower? Don't worry. I'm in the university. I will send convoys to you. Leave my sister alone. Leave her alone. Leave her alone. Took it down. Leave her alone. I will fuck you up. Leave her. Leave her now. Look at what they've done to my brother. They have killed my brother for me. They have killed my brother.
What is the problem?
They have killed my... See now?
No,
he killed my son.
That is not possible.
They have killed
It's not possible.
See him down.
Hey! Bring water!
Okay,
Go and bring water.
Dikeh.
Go and bring water.
Dikeh. How?
Go and bring water. Go. Water. Ndo. Hey, Ndo.
Oh, I knew he was faking it. Oh, in a form more death.
Stand up.
Get up.
What's Kwando is getting caught to kill my daughter? I want him now.
I'm holding him now. Papa. See me here. See me here.
Why is everybody holding? Leave me now. Nothing is wrong with me.
We know. Just
Where is Moab?
go inside.
Where is everybody?
I think, what is it? Fino. Congasso them. Forget them. I mingle with this guy called Brandy.
I don't know this part of you.
You don't know? Start doing it now.
May give you that. May give you
Please, let's hear the lyrics.
Beat. Okay. Tikanti. Hey, Wabo. Wabo nne, Wabo wanne. Didn't you hear me calling you?
So I should forget the fact that I'm already late for the market. Then I should stop and start listening to the rubbish I know you are going to say now.
Wabo, what is wrong with you? Do you understand?
Because I will bother. Danger. Maybe I'm the one in danger. It is my headache up here. It is not your own. Allow me to drink and alone. Leave me alone. Can I go now?
You can't go now. Wait first now. I know you're doing all these things to stay. Wabo na bakarat.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Yeah? What is it? Which driving school issued you driving license? Are you mad? Did they tell you that this place is for learners?
Look at this. Look at this young lady. Huh? Look at you. Who gave you the audacity? Who gave you the impetus to insult me?
Charo, now me you dey speak grammar give. So you don't know how to say you're sorry?
What?
You might have to sorry.
I should say what? Sorry to you. Or you're the one that is supposed to apologize to me and not me apologizing to you.
Apologize to me. Wait. You threw away my tomatoes. If I fungwa him, then I should say sorry to you, apologize to you for it to fungwa him.
What kind of a girl are you? Are you mad? This girl, are you mad?
I'm maybe the tomato. You don't even know how to drive.
Are you stupid? You're a mad woman. You're a mad girl, you this girl.
Charo, you're still talking.
I'm still talking.
If you say anything there again, I will use the remaining tomato here to bust you.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
You are very stupid.
You're stupid. You're the one. You're not normal. I said you're not normal.
I am not normal.
You're not.
Hey! He said I'm not normal.
You're not normal.
I will show you I'm normal.
You show what?
I will show you.
You're not normal. That's what I'm telling you.
I will show you.
If you want trouble, Wabo go give you double. Wabo, if she blow you, or the car color Wabo, she know the fear face, I know ya fire. Wabo, but when the boyfriend, go jail with lover. Wabo, I know ya go put the Wabo, ebo wani ki budi wake Wabo, I know ya go put the Wabo, ebo wani ki budi wake Wabo.
What exactly are you talking about?
What I'm saying is that you and your father should leave Wabo and her family alone. Leave Wabo and her family alone. I heard you came back from school last night and you've already started making troubles with them. To the extent of threatening to bring your court guy to deal with her in this village.
Let Moab come and fight. Let her come and fight. Is she not a tiger? Let her come and fight.
Listen, it was not just an empty threat, but a promise with a guarantee.
Whoa.
Listen, since Nwabu feels she's very stubborn, and has the strength of a tiger, I want to allow her meet her match.
You dare it not, Olachi. You cannot do that. You can never do that. Let me tell you something. Let me just advise you. If you know what is good for you, don't even try to bring that guy into this village. Because I will make sure he does not live alive. It's a promise, oh.
Wait, what did you just say?
Brother, wait. Brother, wait. This is my fight. Or this hand.
It's my fight too.
Calm down. Let me finish this boy. Hey. Come, this boy. Can you tell me what relationship you have with Wam that is making you to try to get yourself involved in a matter that does not concern you? Who are you to Wam?
Don't mind this idiot. You need to see the way Chika has been following Wam, one Dikeh, like each. Part of it all is that Wam does not even give a damn about this idiot. Why? You know, sometimes I wonder if he knows what he's doing. You know Wam one does not even look like a girl. Tell me what a man will be doing with a fellow man. Is it not an abomination?
Are you gay?
Aru! Ikenna! Ikenna!
Okay.
Watch your mouth. Watch your mouth! I will pull your eyes! Watch your mouth!
Don't show yourself.
If you leave me, I will destroy something. I will do what I will regret.
Leave me to fight this hand.
So, okay.
If you ever try it with my brother,
Hey.
you.
I want you to see,
You want to challenge a city girl?
Da, which city guy? Which city girl?
You are challenging me.
It's okay.
If you know the man,
I could tell him.
Why are you always looking for my trouble? Have I not warned you not to put your dirty things on my table? I got wrong here before. Why are you always looking for my trouble? I got Betrayal.
What is your problem? There's no one here when I came. I decided to use you before you come. Is that a crime?
Jello, do you know you're very wicked? You're the wicked. You don't like people touching your things. You don't like people using your things. Mano go abu number 1 ni use nkem mado. Come on, go go my stop boy so. Chineke.
What wine?
What's again?
Do you want? I will just use this and plug your eyes this morning. Are you mad? Why are you telling that she's very wicked? Negative wicked. Negative wicked. Negative wicked.
I'm not gonna go.
Hello, Mom. Yes, I was trying to reach you, but your cell phones were off. Oh, I see. Yes, Mom. I'm in the village now. Yeah, my journey was smooth, very smooth. Yes, very smooth. Yeah, and the village is cool. So how are you? I hope you're not missing me that much. Okay, Mom. I won't stay longer than I planned. Yes, Mom. I'll check it first thing tomorrow morning. Oh yes, no, the village is cool. Yes, Mom. Love you, Mom.
people can go behind my back to sell all my land. No!
Okay.
Where is Ijenna?
Who is this?
I said, where is Ijenna? Where is Ijenna? Ijenna, where are you? Where are you? Where is your grandmother? Where is your grandmother? She wants to sell my piece of land at Umpo Road.
Jesus.
Don't you know that is stealing?
My land!
Sir, what are you talking about?
Don't be stupid. Are you trying to claim that you don't know what I'm talking about? While you were the ones that took her there.
Uncle, we did not take our grandmother anywhere. And point of correction, that piece of land is not yours alone. It's our family land.
My friend, shut up! Shut up! I'm not here.
Let Ujiri strike this your trap.
Amen.
That you come out.
He said.
Nonsense.
He said.
Obiano, what is it again this early morning?
Thank
You
God
can't
she's
believe what Uncle is saying.
Uncle is there lying against you. That you want to sell that piece of land at Umpo Road to someone.
Oluchi, did you just call my father a liar? See, if you don't shut that trap, come out. I am going to shut it.
Oh, he is lying now. Even if he did, what is his business? What is his business? Is it not our family land?
Adugo. Look what I can get there. What I can also. Adugo, I can see now you got some guts. You have mouth to talk. One day, man, what they just share. When they keep watching him, you put the walk.
Obiano, I beg you in the name of God. I don't want any problems this morning. Take your children and go back to your house.
When you were here, when your stupid children called my father a liar.
Don't mind her.
You, this woman, I'm beginning to suspect you.
Akati Kolo? Akati? Olachi. And what if you did? What are you going to do? Okay. May I come? What are you going to do?
Oluchi. Oluchi. You are asking what she will do.
Yes! Yeah, may I come? Let her do it. Let me see.
I hope you are aware that your crazy sister is not at home. Even if she is, we will still do what we do. Now let me tell you, we can still beat you people blue, black and red this morning. But when you beat your honor, if you didn't close your mouth, idiot.
Ikenna. You called my sister crazy, right?
That's who she is. But that's what she is.
Just make sure you repeat everything you just said when she gets back.
I will say it.
This is Nwabu's family's house.
Okay. Okay, this one is the house. So is the uncle's house.
Nwabu and two of her siblings and the grandmother, Stacy.
This particular one?
Yes.
So, do you know if she's around? Huh?
These idiots like taking me for granted. Nwabu! Oluchi and Adugo, come out here now!
Papa Ikenna, what is it again this time?
May thunder blow this thing you come out. This stinking thing you come out. Thunder scatter it.
Uncle, you lie. Thunder will not do her anything because she did not insult you. What is it? Why do you always like making trouble with us?
Ukwensu ga-emega alụ for saying that I make trouble with you.
It is you that Ekwensu will
What trouble? If you know that you don't like trouble, why entering people's things? Why?
Wait. You don't understand. What is going on? Did anyone say we stepped into their bed?
Okay. Why did you plug that pier that's around Market Square? Which I warned you people never to touch anything that belongs to this family without my permission.
Bia. Why are you making noise? What is your problem? Entering people's things? Did anybody enter your thing? Oh, you're a bamboo ube. You're not ashamed of yourself. So because of the pier
We plucked from our father's land. That is why you're here making noise up here. In fact, disappear.
What? Does that mean you tell to disappear with this your dirty mouth?
Ichigo. So, get out. Go now. Chero, can I do my juju? You are still talk welcome. Cut away you from here.
I'm not here, See? You push me. You push me.
You can get the work out enough for muscle. I don't care enough for muscle. Go, Sarah.
Strangers in my house. You are visitors here. Squatters. You are just squatting. Yes. This is my house.
I beg you. In our father's house.
He's so strong. But the problem is she doesn't feel for trouble. But if you find her, one minute you die prayer. You die prayer well. Get. She's so strong. I told you now. One minute it was here. I'm feeling interested.
Mama? Mama, what are you doing here? You've not slept? I thought Adugo said you're in your room. Mama, why are you sad? You're looking very sad. Hey ho. Don't even tell me it's because of Uncle Obiano. You can't know Obiano.
He's treating me this way because I have no male child. If your father were to be alive, would he be treating me like this?
I know. And that is why I am trying my best to make him understand that you have somebody. And that as long as I am here and I'm still alive, living in this house, that he can't treat you anyhow. And I'm trying, Mama. I'm trying my best.
But you can't be fighting him every day. It will not solve any problem. Hello. One day you girls will get married. You will go to your husband's house. I will die. Otazilaka. Umuziabiano will take over everything. The lands we are fighting for, your father's house, all the property. Oh, me and Ebuluna.
Mama, I think you're right.
No. 3 beautiful granddaughters. Oh no, but I don't think you. Bunny black, follow someone. Because on a child gonna go Bulafia. Because on Ete, on the Kebe, can Obagunaga. Oh, was it someone? If it were nowadays, one of you would have stayed back and started having children in her father's house. So that your father's lineage will not close or continue.
Mama, that was in your own days. I am very sure a lot of things have changed now.
Hey, Mbano, the tradition still exists.
I'm sure. It's not possible, I doubt it.
Because no girl in her right senses will agree to such in this 21st century. Oh, not possible, Mama.
Also, let me be sad in my own corner. I don't want to go and sleep. They are for 21st century.
Mama, Biko. I don't want to laugh this night. Come, let's go and sleep.
Such an interesting girl. The kind of village girl I, Nelson, cannot afford to lose. The more I think of her, the more fascinating she becomes.
That is right. That is certainly the reason Obiano is doing all this. What do you plan to do about it?
Nani, I was thinking, see, Mama wrote if I should go and bring a young girl into the house. Marry her and she will bear children for my late son. But on the other hand, I'm nature that maybe I could get one of my granddaughters, marry her, then she will bear the children for my late son.
Have you seen any girl to marry?
Well, I was just thinking about it. I've not seen anybody yet.
Which of your daughters do you have in mind?
My granddaughters. Oh wow. Any of them or Dabal, anyone can serve. Any one of them that understands the tradition. That will be okay for me.
Have you discussed with any of the girls?
Not really. But I spoke about it a little, wanting to Wabu. You got to go. And honestly, if you ask me, I think Wabu is the only one that I can convince.
So do everything you can to convince her. You know she loves you so much. And others do. You know, you are a woman. And you don't expect me to teach you stuff like that.
When you get very old, you turn into a man.
You are still the beautiful Ijenna. That beautiful village figure, all the young men in this village were ready to have. Nothing has changed about you. Age is only but a number, like the white men say.
That was there. The good old days.
I mean what I'm saying.
Hey. But I just hope this
will work.
You. What is your grandfather?
You again. The motor guy, Okoya. What do you want? Have you come for another round of tomato stoning? Because I'm ready for you.
No. See, I did not come here for troubles, okay?
So what did you come to do?
I just came to buy tomatoes.
You came to buy tomatoes? Chero! Oh, now you want to buy tomatoes? If you had killed me the other day with your car, would I have been alive to sell tomatoes to you?
No, what happened the other day wasn't my fault. You see, you were just trying.
You are still forming Mr. Right for me. What can I form Mr. Right? Oh, yeah, fool!
I'm sorry, please.
I don't want to sell to you. Go. Look at Anya. Is it by force? Papa! Hey, oh yeah, come. Bia, come, let me say to you. But next time, don't be claiming Mr. Right with me. Tomato ego ne kecho.
500.
Sauce.
Yeah.
500. I can go and appoint me who to only 500. Lazy. Come and take your 1.5.
No, don't worry. Give it change, yeah?
1.5. One. Hey! One. Hey! Ihuoma. 1.5. Hey! Come on, you chua. Man, you chua. Office na mama lafia.
Where are you going to now? Come, let me help you. Let me give you a lift.
Thank you.
I'll drop you now. Let me drop you back. Let me drop you in your house. I'll put in my boot. Mwabo, please. Please, let me just drop you.
Stop beating me.
Well, let me just drop you.
Okay, I would have entered, but there's no space for my barrel.
But that one is not the problem now. I'll carry your barrel and put it in my boot.
I don't want.
Why are you behaving like this?
Stop beating me. Leave me.
Wambu, calm down. Calm down. Is it because just small pause now you want to break my windscreen? Huh? Come on, pause. You want to just go pause. Take it. So you want to break my windscreen? Come on, pause. Come on, pause. You want to break my windscreen?
Look for it there. Search. Nonsense.
Hey! Afuwana manya.
Wabu.
Afuwana manya.
You are a thief. Go away. I did not see anything. No. I don't even know how we entered the purse.
He didn't steal the bag. He didn't steal the wallet. So you stole the young man's wallet?
My friend, mind your language. She did not steal my wallet. She did not steal it. It's all my fault. I was trying to give her a lift and I left my wallet in her purse. She did not steal it.
Let's mind our business. Let's continue minding our business.
Wabu, I'm sorry, I did not mean to embarrass you. Your boss. Wabu, calm down.
Just a step closer. Let me see how you're going to escape this time. Nelson. Just a bad meeting.
Where are you going to?
What's your business? Eh? Is that why you wanted to jam me?
Wabu, I never expected you to be talking to me in such a manner. After saving your ass earlier today, I wasn't expecting you to be talking to me like this.
You saved my ass?
Yes.
What is ass? My friend, you did not save any ass, so you just saved me from embarrassment. Eh? My cousins would have painted my name black today in the village.
Is that not saving your ass? At least you should thank me for that. That's all I mean.
My friend, I think you're the one that owes me an answer.
How?
How did your wallet enter my bag?
Well, I should be the one asking you how my wallet entered your purse. I should be the one asking you. Oh, so you believe that story I cooked up there just to save you?
Nelson, I did not steal your wallet, oh. I did not touch your wallet at all.
But at least, I'm just telling you, just appreciate what I did for you. It's not like I'm begging you, but at least just say, you know, just be appreciative. That's just what I want from you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
You see, you need to be, the way you're sounding is too childish.
How?
Well, you need to be mature. You see, when you want to be appreciative, you have to be mature enough to be appreciative. You know, not just saying thank you. You need to be more appreciative, as mature as you are, as a mature man. Yeah?
You are insane. In our way, you are very mad. Go. Have my voice. I was also appreciative. My appreciation. Huh? Charo, Mama. What are you afraid of?
All those young boys out there that keep following you, but I don't like it though.
Mama, you don't have to worry yourself. Eh? You should learn to trust me.
I trust you. Well, you don't know those men there. Eh? When they want something, they will look for any way. They will do anything to get it. Eh? See, they can even set a trap for you and you will fall into it. Mama, if an MA.
Not me. Not me, Mama. I am different. I know how to avoid men and their traps. You know, go.
But Emma, I wouldn't want you to bring any kind of shame to this family.
Do I look like someone that will bring shame to this family? Eh? Ha.
No. You remember that thing I discussed with you the other day? That tiny little favor I asked of you.
Mama Biko.
Have you thought about it? Yeah, Malomia.
It's again, Mama, that thing you asked me to do is not a tiny little favor. It is a big, huge favor. And I'm sorry, Mama, I can't do it all. See, Mama, I want my own family. I want my own husband. I want kids. I want a house. So don't even think of engaging me in that your barbaric tradition. I will not do it. In fact, Mami Kuzine, I want to so in Nanta. Hi. Mama, walk. Oh, walk.
Look at the way you're sleeping on the road. Are you a child? Zokwano Mwegi. If you are snoring, and that's how everybody that will be passing will know that you snore while you sleep. Why did you wait till you get to your house before sleeping?
Hey, this malaria, fever, fever.
Well, I'll do it because you are sick. But once I get to your house, Nilo, I will start going from there.
Yes, you don't have any problem.
Mama, oh yeah, wait. Open the door, open, let's go. Open. Sorry. Oh yeah, start.
It's just happened. Put it. Change it. Put it again. Okay. It's okay,
well. Okay. Hey, whoa. Hey, take it easy, Take it easy. I don't know how to drive, take it easy. I don't know how to drive this. Turn which side? Hold it now.
I've poured water for you, so get up and have your bath.
You're still here. I thought you're gone.
No. I told you I wanted to go and boil water for you. Wait, you think I will leave you like this, in this condition and go?
That is so thoughtful of you. Very thoughtful of you. Wabo, you're a good girl. And that is why I want to make you my friend.
I don't understand you.
I am sorry I have not been able to tell you this all this while. I fell in love with you from the very first day I set my eyes on you. I don't know why, but I just can't help it. Baby, I promise you I will never hurt you. I'll always treat you like the queen that you are.
Biko, please. Nelson, I don't understand anything you just said now. Because number one, sick people don't talk about love. Number two, your water is getting cold. So get up there and go and bath. Awabagomo.
Wabo, Biko, please try and come back and check on me, Biko.
Don't expect it. Get up there and go and bath. The child will be no.
Wabo, Biko, come back and check on me, Come and see if I'm doing fine. Wabo, you're a good girl. And that is why I want to make you my friend.
I don't understand you.
I am sorry I have not been able to tell you this all this while. I fell in love with you from the very first day I set my eyes on you. I don't know why, but I just can't help it. Baby, I promise you I will never hurt you. I'll always treat you like the queen that you are.
Nobody has ever used such sweet words on me. You even called me babe. Babe. That's baby now. Hi. But is it for real? Wow. What are you thinking, Seth? It won't work. It won't work. All these city boys, they sharp. They guarisi. And where are they? And where are? It won't work. I don't know, honestly.
How is he doing you?
Want to see a doctor?
Jerry, did you say those are signs of pregnancy?
Yes.
This boy a bulubia, osemo this and that, mkweteluya, opele romance, obukansi je, ometumaka herande, obuli me chai. This boy a me malo, this boy a me malo, ifele bupano, this boy a me. This boy bulubia, osemo this and that, mkweteluya, opele romance, obukansi je, ometumaka herande, obuli me chai. This boy me malo, this boy me malo, ifele bufano mo, this boy me malo. Anokwa me beno, this boy bulubia, osemo this and that, mkweteluya, opele romance, obukansi je, ometumaka herande, obuli me chai. This boy.
Kelechi, are you trying to tell me you arrived if you did last night?
Yes, so I didn't even know you were still around.
Of course I'm still around. I still have an unfinished business here in the village. Though I've struck the deal, but I still have to finish it up.
Don't tell me you're talking about
Kele, kele.
This guy says, how do you mean you have struck the deal? Nelson, don't tell me you have slept with that girl.
Bingo.
Ha! Nelson. Nelson. What kind of jar did you use on that girl? Huh? I mean, how did you manage to humble that very girl?
That is because you don't know me. You don't know me. See, let me tell you, Kelechi. I'm a badass nigga, dude. Badass one, I'm telling you.
Indeed, you have found yourself a wife. Obi agbawam. Nelson. So it's a gone one.
Pieces.
Hey! It's a gone one.
Pieces.
Otari gone one. Otari asicha gone one. Huh? Can you find Nelson? So you should know all the way from town. But over that, eh? That my G.I.A. na po ayi one. Tapi anwa.
I don't choose.
Oh, bi abadi e mo bi abawa.
Nah, all that you bring the food now. Come. Hey. Nah, Papa. I won't wait for all that to be done.
Amen.
No, I just want to eat so that I will go and sleep. Early to bed, early to rise.
You know, I don't like rice.
Papa, don't worry, eat. Tomorrow I'll cook your favorite. Oh?
Thank you.
You'll be saying it, you don't like
I'm happy you are back.
Papa, if you don't like this rice, just go inside and sleep.
Hey. People needed to see what happened today.
What?
Hey! If you see what I saw today,
What did you see?
run.
What happened?
Hey. I saw one of one vomiting earlier today.
Huh?
I'm afraid it looks like she's pregnant.
Please allow me. You're very funny.
Why are you laughing? I know what I'm saying because of the way she has been behaving recently.
Yes, suggesting that.
Honestly, you're very funny. You're funny. How can you say that? Wow, I'm pregnant. Oh, I'm going to gold.
No problem.
How can a man get pregnant? It's not possible now. Ha!
Don't mind her. Don't mind her, my son. When I'm pregnant, does a man chase after a fellow man? Eh? What is the feminine qualities Mwab has in her that can attract a man?
I wonder, Papa, just ask her.
Eh? Ah, only one I
wonder too. But I know what I saw. You will say I said this. Still, Mwab is pregnant.
All right, please allow me.
You're not a woman now.
No, change another topic. If you're not interested in it,
that must be.
But do you know a pregnant woman when you see her?
Sweetheart, I've been expecting you in my house all this while. I mean, why did you show up? Are you avoiding me? Huh? Oh, okay. Are you still angry over what happened the other day? And what about?
Nelson. I really want to talk to you about something.
You know your what? Preg what? Huh? You one person, let me tell you, okay? You cannot just pull those stunts. You can't pull such stunts on me.
Nelson, I am serious.
You're not serious. Just get out, let me pass. Just one mouth that I just did, only one mouth. It's not like I did it like I was enjoying it that much. It was a village flavor that I just wanted, that's all. Come on, call me my car.
Wabi is nothing but a slut in this village. Who doesn't know her?
Ola. Ola. Stop calling my sister a slut. Stop calling my sister a slut, oh. Stop calling my sister a slut, oh. Stop calling my sister a slut. Ola, stop calling my sister a slut.
She is nothing but a slut. A professional one at that.
Okay. Yes. Very good. Okay. Ola, just make sure you repeat every single thing you just said in front of her when she gets back.
I said Wab is a slut. What will happen? Hey. If you like, go and call her. Ola. I will say it before her. Heaven will not break.
Wait. Let me summarize this. What do you people even take this to your sisters?
Did we ask for your opinion?
Eh?
Who invited you?
What are you people even taking this to
your
sisters?
Go inside. This is women talk.
Is it as Hulk Hogan in America? Call Power Mike and Nanny. Call Wonya. Call Killing One.
Ikenna. Go inside. Ikenna, go inside.
Go inside.
Oh, you will not do anything.
Don't call my name.
Don't come to my house.
Leave her alone. Leave her alone. Leave her alone.
I will not go anywhere.
Learn our house, come and beat me. Come and beat me. Thank God she's back. Hey, sister, welcome. Sister, can you imagine Ikenna and Ola? Do you know what they've been saying?
These people, Ola and Ikenna, they've been gossiping with your name, calling you all sorts of things. That you're a slut. You don't want to say something.
Sister, are you going inside?
Who called her name? Who called her name?
I don't even have your time.
Is her name Power Mike? Is her name Power Mike?
Okay.
Oh, Power Mike, let her come out.
Why is she running?
Is her name Power Mike?
Where are you going to? Where are you going to?
Let me just go and finish what I'm doing inside.
Finish what?
Is her name Power Mike?
Come out! Where is a slut? Village Keziah. Who doesn't know her?
What's going on? Why the mood? Did anything happen out there?
Sister, this is the first time I'm seeing you in such mood. What happened? You're crying.
You know you can always talk to us. Say something. Did you fight with anyone?
Talk to us. Did anybody die? What is it? Talk to us. This is not you.
Sister, where are you going to? Sister, what is it? What is going on, my sister? I've not seen her like that before. This is the way you came out and talking and all of it. She not say anything. And now she doesn't want to talk to us.
Don't cry. Don't worry. Nothing will happen to her. Eh? When she calms down, she'll talk to us. You know,
are you sure she's
okay?
okay?
She's okay. I'm here. Don't worry.
Okay.
Mom, when did you walk into my house?
I came to talk to you.
About what?
I wasn't joking when I said what I said. Nelson, I am pregnant for you.
Pregnant? That's no big deal. There are so many girls, so many single girls out there that get pregnant every day around the world. And you know what they resort to? The one and only solution, which is abortion.
What are you trying to say?
What I'm saying in that effect is that you just go back there, you go and get rid of this unwanted pregnancy.
Unwanted?
Yes, unwanted.
What is that supposed to mean? Nelson, it's your child. Your child.
And what does that make you? The mother of my child? Mom, you're funny. Just wake up.
I don't get you. You said you loved me. Nelson, you told me you loved me.
I can't remember saying anything like that. Yeah, but even if I did, I mean, if I did, then it was a mistake. I mean, which man in his rightful senses will fall in love with something, a bush local girl like you? Tell me, which man in his right senses will fall in love with come on. You don't even have the qualities of the kind of girls I deal with in the city. You don't. And you expect me, Nelson. Oh, you think I'll lose my senses of judgment and fall in love with a local girl like you? God. Oh, yes.
You're actually saying this to me?
Yes, I am saying it to you. Well, if it were me, I would not hesitate to go and get rid of this unwanted pregnancy. That is, if I was responsible for this pregnancy. But I'm not.
I won't.
You won't?
Never.
Never.
I won't do it.
Then suit yourself, keep the pregnancy, and get out of my house. You have called my name over 1,000,000 times, but that will not change anything. Leave my house. Leave my house or I'll be forced to push you.
Nelson, try it. Touch me, Nelson. Try it. Try it.
Just leave.
Nelson.
Mwabu.
Nelson.
Mwabu. Leave my house.
Hey, Wabu one name. Wabu one yoma. Wabu. Ah, you're shedding tears. Wabu, why are you shedding tears?
What is it? Eh? What is it?
Hey, what would have made the almighty Wabu shed tears? This is serious. Talk to me now, it's me. Talk to me now, Wabu.
Ah, what is your problem?
Wabu shed tears. Huh. Wabu crying.
What kind of problem is this? Eh? Wabu gala putakwa mmadu. Did you see her? Oh. What kind of problem is this now? Eh? How can Wabu be outside till now? That be okay, oh. God, please protect my sister from me. Eh? Wabu. Sister. Where have you been? What happened? Come. Just come. Where have you been? Wabu, you look very sad. God, you're even crying. What exactly is going on? What is the problem?
Are you going to remain silent? We are your sisters, and you can share your pain with us. Sister, remember, a problem shared is half solved.
Wabu, please say something. Say something, I beg you. Leave her alone.
Oh, Mama, you can see that something is troubling her.
If she doesn't want to say anything, will you force her? Mama, we can't leave her in this condition. We can't leave her in... Go and sleep. Let me sit down.
Don't cry again, yeah? Mama, good night.
Auntie Fo.
Obuachi.
Eh? What troubles you? Wabu, my name. Do you know, I was the one that gave you that name. You know, I was a twin. But I lost my twin sister when we were young. But when your mother was pregnant, when she had you in her stomach, my twin sister appeared to me. Several. And I knew she was trying to tell me that she was coming back. Eh? You can talk to me. But don't worry. If you don't feel like saying anything, don't say anything. I understand. Your pain is my pain. You can talk to me. I can help you solve whatever problem it is. No.
Mama, I'm sorry.
Sorry, what? Sorry, forgive me.
I'm very, very sorry, Mama.
If you do so what you can tell me.
Mama, I am emperor.
You're pregnant. Hey! Mama, what happened? Eh?
Eh? What is what?
You shout.
Go to bed.
Mama, she's still crying now.
You say no, Papa, Mama,
Go to bed. Mama, you guys she's crying. You are telling us to go and sleep.
You come home, what's here?
This is not fair. You're telling us to go and sleep while our sister is crying. This is not fair. I'm sorry.
Why? How? Get on your man. Get on your tobale. Who got you pregnant?
Mama, the man responsible
is
rejected it, and he told me to go and remove it. He said I should abort it, Mama.
If you are put down on our banner, so what if you will come to my room now? Tell me everything that happened. One more no. Let's go to bed.
This boy, this boy,
What? Wabu pregnant?
That is how I see it, oh my God. That is how I see it. Chai. Alaroma to when I didn't sleep last night. I couldn't sleep.
She is the least person I expect to be saying men.
Huh?
If it were to be other of her sisters, I wouldn't have been so surprised. How did it happen?
I've been asking that same question. How did it happen? Who would have told me that Wabu of all people will get pregnant?
Who is the man responsible for the pregnancy?
She told me no, late Okoro Umueze's son. Okoro Umueze of Omonka clan. Oh, you know, okay.
Oh, that young man. Does it mean something has been going on with him and our daughter? Eh? Besides, he doesn't live in this village now.
No. Wabu told me that he has been around, all around. Naturally, now really. Eh? Hey! That the boy denied the pregnancy.
Okay. What? Deny Guinea? Eh? Is he out of his senses? Does he know the family he is messing with?
The family.
Don't worry. I must do something. Young man,
I don't understand what you are talking about.
What I'm trying to say is that I am not trying to deny Wabo. Wabo is my friend. But what we maintain is a casual relationship. Strictly platonic. That's it.
Nelson.
Yes? Wabo. Did I touch you? Huh? Did I make love to you?
Chime.
Then how am I responsible for your pregnancy? How did I get you pregnant?
Young man. Tell what? Are you trying to tell me you are not responsible for my daughter's pregnancy?
I'm not.
What you're saying is different from what my daughter told me. She told me that you accepted it. You accepted this pregnancy. Yes. But you told her to take it out.
I shouldn't.
I'm talking this. Yes.
Mama, she's your daughter.
Yes.
So you choose to believe what she has told you.
Gracias.
She doesn't lie. Well, Mama, I have told you the truth and nothing but the truth. I am not responsible for that pregnancy. I am not responsible for it.
Yes, you're lying.
What? Wabo! Wabo, leave him! Wabo, leave him!
Did I touch your pants?
Did I give myself
Ask yourself. Ask yourself. Did I touch you? Did I touch your pants?
Leave him! Leave him!
Mama is lying.
Sit down there! Young man, sit down. I said sit down!
He's lying, no, he's lying, Nelson.
Ah! Young man, do you realize what you are doing? And what you stand to face if you are finally found guilty of this offense?
Yes, I know. I know the consequences. I know. And I am ready to swear before Ini Edo. I will swear to prove my innocence. I'm not responsible for that pregnancy. I'm ready.
Hi.
My pregnancy that is not. I'm not responsible for it.
Where are you going? Where are you going?
Ozugo!
Wabo, you're
Wabo! Hold on! Ozugo! Nacha was so. It's okay, Melagaro. As soon as no man no febe.
Mama is going. He accepted before. He don't say that I should go and remove it. I don't know why he's lying. Hey!
No.
Hey! Hola! Oh, thank God. Come. Olachi, it has happened. That you said about one is right. About her pregnancy. You're right.
She's pregnant for real?
See, I had everything this afternoon. The worst of it all is that the guy that impregnated her denied everything. The guy is no so not that way Tantamingo. Now,
this is hot gist. You need to break it down.
It's a very big gist. He will give me food though.
This boy Bulubia, Osimo this and that, Mpeteluya, Opele romance, Obukansi je, Ometumaka, here and there, Obulime,
Oh, Olachi, I'm hungry now. I'm hungry. Why are you calling my name? I'm not ready to go and fetch water for you. I'm hungry. I won't do anything.
Calm down, boy. I am calling you to come and see a man that is pregnant for his fellow man. Some men are so stupid that they can't even differentiate between a real man, your fellow man, and a she man.
Look at the way she's walking like someone that just received Holy Communion. Innocent on the camera. Sometimes I wonder what men see in her. Look at her body like carpentry work.
Hey.
Some men can eat shit, eh? Look at the way she's just walking. Well, Holy Communion and Communion. Maybe if you receive Communion from this one or receive this one, you choose the one you call Holy Communion. Please, I'm hungry. I beg. I'm not.
Hey! God, you have seen it! God, you have seen the way Nelson has deceived me. In his mind now, he thinks he's smart. But I know he will not go unpunished. In fact, God, wherever he is, go there and punish him for me. Wherever he has run to, go there and punish him for me. If you have your way, punish him and punish him. And while you're punishing him, let him know that I'm the reason you're punishing him.
What exactly do you plan to do with your daughter now that the young man has denied responsibility of the pregnancy?
That is why I am here.
Okay.
Before Chukwu ani nefe, Chukwu anu adie. This God is a great father. So now that this boy has rejected the pregnancy, Moreover, I have decided that I am going to marry my granddaughter. Yes.
We will perform the marriage rites immediately so that when she has that baby, child,
My late son's child, not the plan.
That is a great idea.
okay.
Yes. What about Nwabo? Have you discussed this idea with her?
Oh, not yet. That one would not be a problem.
You plan to keep this away from Obiano, right?
Yes, of course.
He needs not have any knowledge of what we're planning. I will surprise him.
Odimma. That is exactly what he deserves. I will carry this message to the rest of the Umuna. I will do that.
Mweke. Onya kanji pumakai.
I will do that.
Is it true? Mwabo, is it true? Mwabo, is it true what I heard? Mwabo, say something now. It's your mama. Mwabo, no problem. You have your life to live. Live it the way you want.
Obiano, what exactly are you talking about?
Ijenna, I am only trying to thank you for hiding it away from me for a long while.
Keeping what away from you?
It's a pity that something will happen in this compound. Outsiders will know about it before me. But all the same, you should know again that outsiders should not let you know that bastards are not tolerated in this family, in this compound.
It is my business. Let me deal with it.
It's my business, oh. You and your daughters are shameless. You want to rub mud on the good image we have built here. Our family has built. But all my men.
Family.
It cannot happen.
It's a family. Oh, Chalukwa. When matters like this arise, but when it comes to things like cash crops, farmland, lands, we become total strangers.
Because our tradition does not permit women from owning a land or cash crops. Yes. See the person we are talking about. See her. The shameless she-goat. Shameless she-goat. Wabu. See. Wabu, you and your grandmother have vowed to bring shame and ridicule to this family. And all my men, you have failed. Make sure you carry this sin that is in your womb to the man who put it there.
Baba, she doesn't have a womb. I'm sure that thing could possibly be in one of her intestines. Or do men have womb?
Hey! I know one thing.
Yes, no, men don't have womb. I
know one thing. Hey! I know one thing.
After everything, Owadem, he didn't even bother to tell me. Mama, he deceived me. He forced me. I lost my virginity to him, Mama. Kai, I am so stupid. So stupid.
Stop blaming yourself. Yeah? What has happened has happened. If I get my he made a mistake, yes, but everyone is prone to make a mistake. Stop worrying too much. I am here for you. I will never leave you.
Mama, I will abort this pregnancy.
You see, Abogini,
I will remove it.
Bao, I'm not going to abortion. You will keep this baby. You will have this baby. I will look after this baby. You got even now why?
What do you mean, Mama? What do you mean I should keep the pregnancy when the father has rejected it?
Bao, I will abort it. Mama, second Bao, I'm not going to abort. You will keep this child. If the father does not want the child, Mama to die, it is okay. If he does not want his child, no problem. Nneyochi is here. I will take the baby, I will bring up the baby as my own. I will never abandon you. What if now why?
Mama, what does that mean to me and my future? So, you want me to be a single mother? Mama, single mother? God forbid. I will not do it, I will remove it.
Please, I beg you. Keep this child. Keep it for me. At least, I will bring up the child as my own. No. Don't worry, I will take care of the child. Please, if you have to sell your tomato, I will sell them for you. Just to relax and have this baby. Only more. Okay, Kinezo. Wabu, what do you think you're doing? You want to abort this baby?
Mama, give me. I can't keep it. Mama, give me. I can't keep it. Mama, I can't keep it.
You want to kill my child?
Your child? Mama, what do you mean by that?
See, all the marriage traditional rites have been performed on your head. You are now to stay back in this family and bear children for the family. Yes, now. That young man denied this baby. So this baby is now part of this family. You cannot abort it.
Mama, please tell me you're joking. No. Mama, because I am not
joking. All the women has, they all know. They all know. They don't know. It's a secret.
And you kept it a secret from me too, Mama. Mama! Jesus, Mama, how can you do a thing like that to me? How? Is that your plan for me? Mama, so that is your plan for me? Are you that selfish? Mama, you only think about yourself! You always think about yourself!
Mbano, it's not about me. It's about your father. It's about your father. Okay, if all you girls marry and go away, Mama will die. Obiano will take over everything. No, I know you love your father. Just do this for him. Okay, is it about taking care of the child? More than that. I will take care of the child. Even though the breast is all shrunken and every face here, oh yeah, where? Let me tell you something else. I have money. A lot of money that I kept inside the roof. I will use it and take care of you people. Hi, don't worry. You will still look young. No.
Now, hotel manano, hotel this. Hey, open, dodge. Good evening, man. Hey. Now, give it to me. Why are they doing that? Take this one. Hey.
Dikeh, when I heard the news about Wabu's pregnancy, I was so surprised. I even thought you are the one that did it.
See, if I'm the one responsible, then why am I complaining? Did you know that Wabu does not offer me the opportunity of talking to her, let alone touching her? She found a city guy. She now decided to parade herself around with the guy.
Hey!
May say my abandon.
But that is so stupid of that idiot.
Very stupid.
Could you believe that whenever a man comes around that Wabu, the grandmother will stand up and walk without walking stick? Why is it that most girls are like this? They don't appreciate men, you know, guys that love them. Why?
I imagine.
Yeah, I don't know. They just allow themselves to be deceived by paupers. Look at how she fell to that idiot. That idiot was able to penetrate into her, bamboozled her, piayo away, and just left her just like that. Yeah?
I don't believe that. But that serves her right, yeah? That serves her right.
One thing I know for sure is that I will make that idiot pay for ruining Wabu's life. When next he steps his foot into this land, he must pay for all these things.
That is it. I support you. In fact, supported. You understand me? Guy, forget it! That guy is an idiot. I can personally deal with that guy. In fact, any day that idiot set his idiotic leg into this village. Chike, you have my number. Call my phone. Call my phone! Let me do with him.
That's how they come from the city with their stupid city of physics and scatter the plans we have in this village.
Imagine in a Merem city guy.
See, I am from the city. I I might not be around when he comes. By then, I might have gone back to the city as a musician. I'm not busy. Come on phone! Come on phone! Let me deal with him. What they come in the city is woman squad. If you come to what I'm not talking. If you come to Fege, what they come in there is equal. And they make one madu go. That is why they come. If you make mention of Udo, a take go. Once you come there, call anybody that you're looking for equal.
The problem I'm having with you is that now, your number, how many lines do you have? Your number,
you won't blame me. As a city guy, you have too many, but you have my private number. Call me on that one, my friend. Call me on that one. You don't want to call? Call me and let me deal with that guy. That's idiot.
Udo, calm down.
Oh, Oluchi. First, Oluchi herself, he said idiot. Oluchi, idiot.
Yeah, I thought you had planned to Oluchi.
Oh, somebody have very good intention. To settle that with. Treat her like a queen. She think she's not a queen again. But because I got so intoxicated with my musical career. Open the watch on my voice. How can I go into it because I be saying again. But the girl,
the rapper.
The girl felt that I'm not giving her much attention. Feels the general that idiot.
How can you marry? It's Diego. Or Diego and no one.
Stop it. Don't insult Udo. Look at his cap. Do you know how much this cap is sold?
Then get cap.
Oh, what are you not talking? I'm a musician. You want to play with musicians? Musician. That girl has no atom of discipline. Because if she has endured, forget it. It is a musical contract. No idiot. Odogu? No, I'm in a meeting. Get it. Oh, you don't know music? This is what they call music. Sure, forget it. See, come to the final. Let me just keep two of you now. If you want to know, I have show this. You know how much I'm paid?
Ego neka na koge.
For one show.
I have a show. Where?
I think Diago.
Town hall.
Exactly.
Go. I know there.
Come there, 5,000 guys will be there. You know how much I'm paid? I mean, yes. You know what I mean? Hey.
I've thought about everything you said, and I have decided to keep the pregnancy.
better to stay back and give my father the male child he never had. By the grace of God. Since Oluchi is already engaged and will soon join her husband, let me stay so that my father's lineage will continue. Judah was the one that gave birth. When they gave birth to you, I looked into that pretty face and I told myself, this is my sister. Only about one name. And I gave you that name. About one name. I knew you would never let me down. Never. One never. Oh, wonderful.
Bought it for me.
Hobby.
My hobby.
Which one is your hobby?
Wow, my hobby, my husband. He bought me the car.
Watch me joke. Hey, it's so fine.
Hey, Cassie. Hey, come here. See my boy, you. Mama. He's looking so big.
Nah, I'll call my daughter, babe. I don't want.
Oh, Cassie, I've missed you. What are you people feeding him with?
Feeding him? Oh, what? Nah. Toto. I'm all over. I don't see me a papa. Me, Tapia. I went to see you. I went near the media. Oh, Dikeh. Yana niye, awe balance ya. Wewe lokwa eh?
Gawa biko.
Okwa nya bo kwa. Azu okonko. Nya azu asa. Otosia. Nke bia, I will cook it for you.
Mama is so grown, oh. Eh? See my baby, oh. See my prince. Eh? Wabo, ina one, no?
Anna one.
Very good. After you come and get all the things from me, I won't let you.
Olachi. Ha! This one he came back today. We weren't expecting you. I hope all is well. Well, I hope you are not here to beg for money because there's no money at home. Papa does not have any money in the house. My work, you know my work, as a molar, block molar. I don't know what is happening in this community. As if they ring bell, bam, so everybody to stop building houses. We the molars will not be doing anything. About the ones that call which way? Go and drop your bag inside.
I decided to take you people by surprise. Okay, wait. Who is this guy?
Oluchi, of course. I overheard her telling her family members that her husband bought it for her.
Eh? Oluchi's husband bought this car for her.
Are they not the same thing?
That means the car belongs to Oluchi now.
That the husband bought it for her. Honestly, I never knew that her husband is this rich. You know, I've not looked at it very well since. It's Honda. For her husband to buy her this type of car, that means the man is loaded. He's rich.
Because where is Papa?
Papa, I don't even know. Papa, the last time I checked, I overheard him saying I was rushing for community meeting. I don't know. Because come there, drop your this. There's nothing in the house. So biscuits. There's nothing in the house. Let me check something outside.
Sister, welcome. So your husband got you that beautiful. He even promised to buy a bigger one for me when I put to bed. And I can't wait to lay my hands on it.
It's Colonia.
Yeah. I can't wait to get the cat on the kiosk.
Yeah. Now township Makabiko.
Hey, you don't stop to make me laugh. I see. Wow. I see you all are looking good. You're looking so fine and I'm happy about it.
Oh, Kwachukuo. It's God. Thank God.
And hi. I thank God for your condition. 4 years ago, hi. My enemies were laughing at me. Seriously? So, you mean they are gossiping already?
Sister, I don't need to tell you what they've been saying about you and your husband.
Jesus.
It was Uncle Obiakpo and his useless kids that started it.
That family. They are not tired yet. So he's still alive.
I
beg, what of Olachi? Is she engaged yet?
Oh, but also. Not only engaged here, and engage him also.
That one, she has been jumping from one man's house to another.
Okay, fine.
University, she did not complete.
I'll pass.
Even job, she doesn't have.
Okay, you mean by that? What do you mean by she doesn't have a job? It's prostitution, not a job. Hey. She has a good job.
Wow, boy, danger. Akati. Oh, if I need to, Akati Kolo. Nem, let us leave all this one about Akati. If they are family, let us talk about more important things. If I'm to Nemo, Dikeh for you, this your pregnancy. Tell me how the baby kicks you, so that I will tell if it's a boy or a girl.
Obameba. Oh, Obakwasime Benka.
Ukwu esiri ike ọ na-agbasi ike.
Footballer. Footballer.
Mama.
Oh my God.
Yo, Mom.
Nelson, what is the meaning of all this? What is this recent change of behavior of yours? Must you always come back home drunk? Huh?
What? Mom, I didn't even drink today. You know what I need right now? I need to go out there to my goddamn room.
Oh my God.
And have a peaceful sleep. You know what I mean by a peaceful sleep? I know you know what I'm talking about, Mom.
No, Nelson. Nelson, no! This has got to stop, Nelson! This has got to stop!
Hey, when is your husband coming to visit us again? Eh? Honestly, I miss that handsome young man.
You miss what? You miss my husband.
Is that
what you're saying? Hey, I'm so sorry. Anyway, my husband is fine and he sent his regards. Where is Cassie?
That one. He's with grandma inside. Those two are always together.
She adore him that much.
Sister, you haven't seen anything yet. They are inseparable, like I told you.
Oh my God. I'm so happy for her. I'm happy for her. What of Uncle Obia? Is he aware?
No, nobody told him. No.
Oh, that means he still troubles you guys over the marriage issues.
Yeah.
It's worse now.
Hey.
Now he's laying claims over Oka, orange, even broomstick.
In fact, I have never seen a man that is as shameless as that man. Hey. Let us not spoil our night with his gist because
pregnancy is so
Thank you. What else to my husband?
But when I was pregnant, he never told me I was looking beautiful.
Jealousy.
Yeah, Pasha.
Now it's the same thing. Both of you are looking very pretty.
Wow.
Pasha. Pasha.
You're, in fact, you're very beautiful too.
Don't worry.
Very sweet to be ready. Just special delicacy.
I saw the child. I saw my child. His name is Cassie. I hear his mother call him.
How sure are you that was the child you saw?
I saw. He's got my eyes. He's got my eyes, I swear. I just couldn't hold it. I couldn't hold it. I was just want you to be my friend.
Well, Nelson, Omega will know. What has happened has happened. It's all in the past. So my guy, move on.
I can't.
Move on.
I can't move on without my child. I can't just move on without my child.
Okay. What do you want to do about it?
I'll go to her and ask for reconciliation. I'll go to her tomorrow and definitely I will ask for reconciliation. That's what I will do. Gotcha. That's what I will do.
Nelson, you look one year can law. You make a mistake in a car. You check when you cha. Eh? You got just know I boogie. You I forgive sorry. Huh? After all what you have done to Mom, you still have the mind to tell me that you want to go and see Mom. And you told me yourself that you denied the responsibility of that pregnancy. Now you're telling me you want to go and see Mom. Oh. Nelson, don't even think of it. You look one year can law. Bakage boogie. I forgot. Sorry.
I wouldn't have had a choice, but I have no choice. If I had a choice, I would have gone to her. As you can see now, I have no choice. Like, I don't have a choice. I just have to go to her. Hey!
Listen, I told you all this is at the initial time. I told you you messed up. I told you all these things. It's okay now.
No, I don't know.
What are you doing here? Eh? What are you doing here? Please leave this compound. Get out.
Mama, please just hear me out.
Hear you, Gene. Wait, what do you want to tell me? Gene Kiche Gwam. If you have come to tell me or make me know that you had an accident, I have seen it. Oh, sorry, but it's not my business. Get out.
What I do before is something more important than that. I gave my son, our son.
Our Gene. Our Gene. Our... You are very, very stupid. Please get out of this compound. Yeah? Now.
Nebiko, listen to him now. Look at his condition now. Please.
Young man, what did I hear you say? You said that boy is your son.
Yes, sir.
Hey, where have you been all the while? We have been expecting you.
Who has been expecting? Yeah? Nobody has been expecting you. In fact, you don't have any business in this compound. And then you are picking now. Mind your business. Mind your business, so.
Tradition demands that the boy is his whenever he comes for him. See, young man, go and come with your people and perform some necessary rites. You take your child with you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Yes, thank you, sir. In fact, I don't want to see you in this compound by the time I come out again.
Wabo, please, can I talk to you, please?
Also,
Please, can I talk to you, please?
I don't want to see you.
Please.
Don't come here.
Uncle Bole, come, let's go.
Wait, what exactly is Uncle Biano's business?
Don't mind that evil man. He thinks he knows what he's doing, but he's going to meet a big surprise.
Of course now. Hey, I didn't tell them anything. Just let him come with his people. Yalla.
And how do you think he will feel when he finally finds out the truth?
He will feel exactly the way I want him to feel. That man doesn't know what is waiting for him.
Mama, I actually like the way things are playing out. Which about my favorite.
Oh, wow. Obi, I know you have you there. And you kept this away from me all these years? Nelson, how could you? How could you do this? Nelson, if you don't need the child, I need the child. At least you should have told me about it in the first place.
Mom, I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry, Mom. I'm sorry.
I know you are. But that does not change the fact that you acted so stupidly, Nelson. Nelson, I thought you said you care about mommy. Yeah, I thought you said you love mommy. And you never hurt me.
I do.
Oh, shut up, Nelson! You do not have the slightest idea how I feel right now. You don't!
I do, Mom. I do. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm truly sorry, Mom. Really sorry. Oh, please, just forgive me. Forgive me, Mom. All I want from you right now is for you to accompany me. Accompany me to go and see her. See her and her family. Mom. I need my son. Oh my God. I need my son. I'm a fool, I know. But I need my son. Mom, I need my son. I need him.
The truth is that none of us had the slightest knowledge of this. until he came to us a few days ago and confessed everything.
Are you sure he confessed everything? Because if he did, I believe you people will not have any reason to be here today.
Oh.
Huh?
I don't understand.
You don't understand? Your child didn't tell you that he denied that he never had any intimate affairs with my daughter.
Plateau? Plateau.
Hey, Nelson, is that what you told them?
But that is not the issue here. Whether he was responsible or not responsible, the lady in question has been traditionally and legitimately married to this family.
Hey!
To stay here and bear children on behalf of her late father, who had no male child before his death. So your son, Nelson here, was only used as a tool to fulfill this obligation.
It's a lie. It's a lie. That never happened.
It did happen. Okay. But we decided to keep it away from you because of the kind of person you are.
Yeah.
What we are saying is that every elder of this community knows about it. Hey! And was part of the rite performed by Ijenna on behalf of Wam. Bigwe was also present. So if you have your doubt, you are free to meet Bigwe. That is all.
It's impossible. Such thing cannot happen in this family without my consent.
Oh my God, man!
Huh?
Listen, we also kept it secret from you because we know that that is the best thing that can happen to Ijena's family. Well, I'm sorry that you are just finding out now.
Are you saying that the child in question is a legitimate son of this family?
Yes! Yes.
Your son here was so naive. He thinks he is a notorious womanizer and that he can go around and mess up with any woman that comes his way. So sorry.
Nelson! Look at what you've done to yourself now.
What was the loss?
Hey! Impossible! Huh? This cannot happen as long as I am alive.
But it has happened! Oh my God, man!
Hey! Hey, Nweke, is that why you sneak into this family?
Stop shouting on us, oh!
Who are you? Is that why people come here?
What? Stop shouting on anybody here!
Nonsense! Nonsense! It cannot happen. Okay, yeah, man. Useless human being. Eh? Nonsense!
Ibata mbeba melu ajaru.
What is your
Ibata mbeba melu ajaru. Message kekita.
If not because I'm a gentleman.
So, Ijenna strategically planned this and successfully hid it away from me. So, no. I'll show you that I'm a man. No.
Nana. Are you playing?
Yes.
Ah, good. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. You are a good boy. Uncle bought. Uncle got biscuit. Take it and eat because you are a very good boy.
I'll eat it after I finish playing.
That is good. That is good. Make sure you eat it alone. Do not share it with anybody. Uncle bought it alone for you. And you have to eat it alone. Okay? Good boy. Go on. Go.
Kasim. Kasim! Kasim Obi!
Uncle Obiano gave me.
Uncle Obiano? The one outside gave you this biscuit? Give me. Don't ever collect anything from him. Even if he forces you, say no. Obiano is a very wicked man. Do you understand what I'm saying? Come and sit here. Sit. Hey! Obiano. You will not kill any of my children again. Except Monobro Chukumwanya Kanefe. Don't worry, I'll buy biscuits for you. Achacha. Mandela so. Mandela netini fenetiti. You go now. Just one I have.
You are playing, eh? I know you must be tired. That's why I bought another biscuit. Take it. Don't tell me you want to reject my gift. Take it, boy. Hold it. Hold it. You see this one. No, take this.
I want to eat it inside.
Take it. I want to take this. Eat it now. Eat it. You have not told me why you summoned this emergency meeting. Yes.
Obiano, this meeting was called so that you can tell us when you can share the land between you and Ijena's son. Because it has come to our notice that the problem we are having in this family was because of the land and cash crops. So it will be better that you share it so that peace can reign among you people.
That is so. Do people know what you're talking about?
Yes.
When did women started sharing or having land in our community? When? When now? It cannot happen no.
Yeah. Obiano, what are you talking? Eh? What are you talking? Have you forgotten that Ejena now has a son? You have to share the land accordingly so that the boy will have his own portion of the land. That is why we are here.
That is it.
Yeah.
That is it.
Fear what? Oh, is that your plan? This is conspiracy. You want me to share my land with that kid? No, it cannot happen. Mama.
Yes, Obiano. You have no choice. You were looking for a male child to share land with. Now you have seen one, and you are hesitating. Why are you hesitating? Ihina Tonukenu is Banukana. Ijenna now has a son.
It cannot happen. Agwara m unu na ihe enweghị ike ime n'obodo a. Hey, myself to share my land with a bastard. A bastard. No, I will never. It cannot happen. Oh man,
it will happen. Oh game, Hey. Bia. Obiano. Watch what you say about a son of the soil. Eh? Are you hearing me? Because the Igwe will not be merciful to you at all. Bam!
That is true.
For calling a true son of this family and land a bastard. Watch your tongue. Watch your tongue.
Look, whether Igwe or no or hungry elders like you, I don't care. He is a bastard and he remains a bastard. And I have nothing to share with him. Yes. Do you know the tradition of this land? What are you talking about?
What do you know about tradition? You Obiano. What do you know?
It is the tradition that we are telling you.
Look at Obiano.
Look, I don't just understand. It's better you.
Well, when the time comes, you will know the true tradition.
You don't know what you are saying. But
okay, let me see gender.
You push me. No wonder. For this, oh, if I get you people here again, knife. Rubbish. Nonsense. Ah, can you kill him? Can you trouble him and but if you ever? Oh, when I born a judge, nonsense. I'm a male. Cannot happen here.
Binigwe. Ọ gị nwakwara anyị na Psalm 23. Abụ ọma 23. Anyị nwa bụ ụmụ atụrụ, gị nwa bụ onye nche anyị. Ị na-edu anyị. Isi na ị ga-enye anyị ife ọbụla anyị chọrọ n'ụwa. Isi na ị ga-enye anyị nne anyị ga na-eli ndị iro anyị anọrụ na-ekiri anyị ma ọ nwere ifefa ga-eme. Nna Binigwe isi anyị gaba. Na onwe ife ọbụla dị n'ụzọ ị ga-akụpụ ya. Maka na ị ga na-edu anyị. Ụkwụ ama nkwụ anyị because na ọ gị nwa bụ Chukwu anyị na-efe.
Jenna. Brought a bastard to come and challenge me. No, it will end this night. Kasi Mobi, it must end this night. It will go this night. What happened? Tie me? What is that? What is it? Hi! No. And I want more than I want.
Protect Tanya Kona Ganiru. You might fit you over to this family.
I met your son. I killed him and his wife. Son,
he said he
Ijenna, I tried to kill him, but it wasn't possible. Hey! Hey! Kassemobi! Kassemobi, I've tried to kill him so many times, but he failed. I decided to kill him this night, and that's what brought me here now. Jesus. Hey! Here now. Jesus. Hey! Hey! Ikenna! Hey, Ikenna! See this family. Oh, people should respect Ijenna. She's a great woman. She's a great woman. Hey, Ijenna! Oh, Ijenna! Oh, see the family. Look after my children. Hey!
But why are you saying all this? Why are you saying all this? If I see, I will take care of the family, but...
You're joking, oh. You're joking, oh. You're joking, Papa. Wake up, oh. Wake up.
Papa? Papa?
You're joking, you're joking. Obiano.
Dikeh.
Papa.
Bia. Why is it that every time you be walking with your shoulder raised? What is swelling your head, sir? Why are you behaving as if na pass guard run and book on it? Eh? Listen, big boys like me don't have all the time to be following village girls like you around.
Emeka, I hate you and your guts. Have you ever seen a big boy in your life? You're here claiming big boy. Don't you know that big boys don't talk to girls anyhow? Big boys are humble. You're here claiming big boy and big boy. Your white mouth.
Yeah, mind the way you insult the biggest boy in this local government. Listen, I can feed you. That your old one-eyed grandmother. Even that your sister that you people have turned to a village goat. Come now, no one no more.
Emeka. How many times did I call you? You are an idiot. A stupid fool. The next time you dare stop me again, you could coagisi.
Do you realize who you are talking to?
Are you mad? Bro, Wait. Oh. What are you doing with my sister? You think she don't have a brother like me? Okay?
What did you do?
No, Emeka.
What did you do?
I don't do anything, no. You don't anytime you see me, you just disturbing me.
You didn't do anything to him? Did you touch another?
No, brother, it's just there.
I can't get to him, man.
What is your problem? What are...
I'll take...
Yeah, go. Are you mad? What did my sister do to you?
Go out!
Just like that. You never put that. See, I will follow you anywhere you're going. Today, any day you want to go to sleep, call me. I will join you. Give me my clothes. Let's go. I'm good. Tell me the truth, sir. Are you sure you didn't touch you any other place? Let me see. Are you sure you didn't touch you any other place? Tell me the truth. Let them make a run. Tell me the Adugo. Tell me the truth. Are you sure you won't put about the Maka? Maka kete. Let him run. No. No. Wait. Is your leg not paining you? No. Emeka. No problem. Emeka, my sister. My sister, no bother.
Them.
Udakama, Udamaka, Manne Buwane, Anibofu, Esezina, Yadeba, Esezina, Udakama, Udakama, Udamaka, Manne Buwane, Anibofu, Esezina. Why are we fighting one another when we are one? The time of fighting is over. The time for love has come. Udakama, Udamaka, Manne, Anibofu, Esezina, Yadeba, Esezina, Udakama, Udamaka, Manne, Anibofu, Esezina, Yadeba, Esezina, Udakama, Udamaka, Manne, Anibofu, Esezina, Yadeba, Esezina, Udakama. Udakama, Udamaka, Manne, Anibofu.